Welcome to MicroVision Suite. Today, we are going to show you how to completely automate your microscopic measurements and save hours of manual work using our advanced AI-powered feature, Smart Select. In digital microscopy and metallography, time is everything. Drawing manual lines, calculating areas of irregular shapes, or measuring coating thicknesses by hand can be incredibly slow and prone to human error. That is exactly why we developed Smart Select. Powered by a next-generation AI model, the software now does the heavy lifting for you. Before we begin, make sure your microscope is properly calibrated in the software, as all AI calculations rely on your specific magnification. Once you are ready, simply navigate to the Smart Select menu and click Start. The interaction is designed to be as intuitive as possible. Just left-click anywhere inside the object you want to measure. Instantly, the AI analyzes the image and wraps a highly precise contour around the object's boundaries. If the object has a complex texture, or if the AI captures a bit too much, you are always in control. Simply right-click on any unwanted area to exclude it. The contour adjusts in real time, giving you a perfect outline in a matter of seconds. Once your object is perfectly selected, you unlock 4 powerful automated tools. First is the Area tool. If you are analyzing porosity, inclusions, or irregular particles, calculating the exact surface area manually is nearly impossible. With one click, the software calculates the exact area in square micrometers or millimeters and places the label perfectly in the center of your object. Next is the Crosslines tool. When you need the exact width and height of an irregular particle, this tool is a lifesaver. The software mathematically calculates the true center of mass of your selection, and automatically draws perfect horizontal and vertical lines reaching the exact edges of the object. For surface engineering, we have the Auto Layer tool. Measuring coating or plating thickness usually requires drawing dozens of lines by hand. Now, you just select the layer and click the tool. A dialog allows you to choose exactly how many measurements you want. The software then intelligently divides the contour into upper and lower boundaries and calculates the shortest distance at multiple points simultaneously. Finally, for metallurgists, Smart Select makes Vickers Hardness testing completely effortless. Just select the indentation, choose your applied force from the drop-down menu, and click Vickers Hardness. Our specialized algorithm doesn't just draw a box, it adaptively searches for the exact 4 corners of the indentation, even if the edges are slightly blurry or deformed. It draws the diagonals and calculates the precise HV value instantly. When you are done, you can easily clear the measurements or save the image with all the data and scale bars permanently burned in for your reports. Work smarter, not harder. Experience the future of digital microscopy with MicroVision Suite. Visit our website to learn more and download your copy today.